Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and we are Softtrix, a Google Premier partner providing our top-notch data marketing services worldwide for over 15 years. Today I will share how our Google AdWords strategy helped an online store achieve around $90,000 in terms of monthly sales with the ROAS of 6+. So now in terms of the client overview, the client is an e-commerce store specializing in the solar powered lanterns, garden lights and the portable lighting solutions. Their mission focuses on delivering the eco-friendly sustainable products to the audiences passionate about the outdoor activities, home decor and the environmentally conscious living. So now in terms of the client's previous experiences and how they have hired us. Before partnering with us, the client worked with a previous agency but was facing the recurring challenges. First is the declining sales. Campaigns were not optimized, leading to the poor performance. Merchant center issues. Their account was disapproved due to policy violations and the misrepresentation. Next is the lack of strategy. Campaigns lacked proper structure, targeting and the keyword optimization. Frustrated with the lack of tangible results and the unaddressed issues, the client sought a reliable team to fix these problems and drive sales growth. They have hired us based on our proven expertise in the Google AdWords optimization. The first is the account audit and the issues faced during our comprehensive account audit. We have uncovered several critical issues that were hindering the performance. First is the merchant center disapproval. The account was flagged due to misrepresentation due to the policy violation. Missing policy pages and the mismatched discount codes triggered the disapprovals. Campaign structure deficiencies. The client relied solely on the smart campaigns and limited search campaigns. Lack of the keywords and the poorly optimized ads lead to the lower number of impressions and the conversions. Website and the product data issues. The website lacked essential policy pages like the privacy policy and the terms of services. Product descriptions included the inconsistencies, especially with the brand names, violating the Google Merchant Center guidelines. So now in terms of what we did, step 1 is the Google Merchant Center review and the fixes. To address the challenges and position the client for success, we have implemented a structured step-by-step approach. We began by a thorough review of the Google Merchant Center, identifying and fixing the critical gaps. This included the adding the necessary policy pages to ensure compliance, resolving the discount code mismatches and fixing the product description to align with the Google Merchant Center guidelines. Once these issues were addressed, we have resubmitted the Google Merchant Center account for review and successfully gained approval, enabling the Google Shopping campaigns to go live. Second is to the strategic Google Shopping campaign setup. So next we have focused on the setting up a strategic Google Shopping campaigns. We have launched the well-structured campaigns that showcase the client's product directly on Google, allowing users to view the product details at a glance and navigate seamlessly to relevant product pages for a smooth buying experience. We have further enhanced the setup by restructuring the campaigns with the targeted Google ad groups for the specific product categories such as the garden lanterns, solar camping lights and the portable lights and the power solutions. This ensured that the greater ad relevance, improved targeting precision and increased the overall campaign efficiency. Third is the audience targeting and the conversion tracking. In addition to the campaign setup, we have implemented the advanced audience targeting and the conversion tracking to ensure we have reached the right customers. Using the custom intent audiences, we have targeted the users actively searching for the solar lighting products, while in-market audiences helps us connect with the outdoor enthusiasts and the eco-conscious consumers. We have also set up the GA4 conversion tracking to accurately measure the campaign performance, allowing for the ongoing optimization toward driving more sales. Performance management and the testing. Finally, we have closely monitor the performance of the campaigns, actively managing them to identify both the top performing and the underperforming products. Low performing ads were paused and then the budgets were reallocated to the high performing ones to maximize the returns. We have also continuously tested the new audiences, product titles and the ad creatives, ensuring consistent improvements in the results over time. So now in terms of the results achieved, within 2 to 3 months of implementing the strategy, the client experienced substantial improvement. We have generated over $90,000 in terms of monthly sales and the strong ROAS of 6.63. By improving the campaign targeting, we saw much more impressions and the clicks. The client was very happy with the improved performance and the clear positive results. Our comprehensive approach to Google Shopping campaigns, from resolving the Google Merchant Center disapprovals to optimizing the audience targeting and the campaign structure, delivered exceptional results for the client. By aligning the website compliance, product data and the campaign strategy, we have helped the business achieve consistent sales growth and a high return on investment. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner, so you can just send a message on WhatsApp. We will be able to let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. You can still contact us with your website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can give you the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do click on like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.